How to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. So if you want to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam, then here are a few reasons why you'll have this kind of problem. So the first one is adding contacts to your groups without their knowledge. And the next one is sending repetitive messages. Or the third one is system glitch, sending false. The first step for you to request for review is by contacting WhatsApp support team. So you can make an appeal within WhatsApp app itself. And to do so, you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Then if you have this account can no longer use WhatsApp, then on the bottom you will have request review. So you need to go with request review and you need to verify your account. After verifying, you'll be able to request a review and your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix, then you just need simply wait for a couple of hours after sending the request review. During that period, WhatsApp will go through the account review, and if it finds no violation, then your account will be reinstated and you'll be able to use your WhatsApp again. So the other thing that you have to take note of is when this process is being done, avoid submitting several requests at a go, as this can reduce chances of your account getting reinstated. Now, if you requested for a review and it was declined, then on your WhatsApp homepage, you will always be presented with this account cannot be used on WhatsApp or register a new number. In this case, you can just simply wait for 90 days or 3 months, and WhatsApp will automatically delete your account or will detect the affected number as being inactive and will delete or remove that number from the WhatsApp servers. It may take up to 90 days from the beginning of the deletion process to delete your WhatsApp information. After that, after waiting for 90 days, you can then go with register and then you can again create your account with the same number. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.